S&P 500 Emini futures update for June 30th. We are about 3 hours and 12 minutes before the standard hours of the market open. And yesterday we said that ES, 2 days ago, we said it would reach 3820. It did, and go below. Yesterday's update, the video update, we mentioned that it looks like it's going to 3775, which it did. This is the red line over here. That is the POC of the range. The range is defined by these two purple lines. The one below is at 3642. The one above at 3943 can actually be updated to 45. Doesn't really matter that much. It's that area. And so price went down to pierce that POC, reached so far a low of 3762. European session generated some panic selling. And we've also got this line that is defined by the high of 15th of June and the second point of 22nd of June. And also there's another touch point here on the 23rd of June. And then price broke out up, and now it has retested this previous 4-hour candle, tested this line again, and this is a good spot, in my humble opinion, to go long, because we have that area of double support, that line that was just mentioned, and the piercing of the POC. So a good long is one that has pretty good probability, and more so is justified by the risk versus reward. So we'll keep actually this line with these lows here. And when we're looking at the 4-hour time frames, it's the minimum time frame that is quite still significant and removes a lot of noise. So we're not looking, for example, at the 5-minute time frame. And a good long here would be, let's say if we even start now with the 3771, and we have our stop below these aforementioned lows. So let's say 3727, which is a 1.17 risk, where we would put our stop, and we would lose our money if our long doesn't play out. On the other hand, on the take profit side, we can be targeting just below these highs, this high, and the purple line that mentioned this high and this high. And even if we go below that and we would put our profit at 3934, that would be a 3.7 reward versus risk, which is a very nice bet. And you could also could take partial profit there, say half of the position, and also fill this gap over here or close to it, staying for over a 7. It says here 7.09. And so you have on half of the long, you would have an almost 4 to 1, or 3 point, between 3.5 and 4 reward versus risk, and then another 7. That would be a very nice reward versus risk, averaging above 5 to 1. So at your consideration, trade the S&P 500 Emini futures at your own risk. This was the update for June 30th. Thank you.